Hey, in this video, I will show you how to pay with your Revolut on a phone, on an iPhone, works in 2023. And basically it's very simple. So all you have to do is hit like button, hit the subscribe button. The first thing you want to do is open up Revolut and you want to install the app and sign up. If you want, I'll have the link for it in the description down below. You can click on it below this video. And what you want to do after you've signed up is click on cards right here and get a card if you haven't already. So you want to click card, physical or virtual. It's very simple. For example, let's say virtual because it's free. You select the cover and you add it in. After that's done, you then want to go to your wallet app, just like so. You want to go, if you can't find it, all you have to do is swipe up on your phone and type in wallet. Here it is. And here you can already see I've added a lot of cards. You can click the plus button right here and debit or credit card. You want to search for Revolut and then you want to add the card. You click on open and you select the card. And when you've added it to your wallet, all you have to do is double tap the power button on the right side, just like so. And now hold near the reader and you're done. You can pay. It's as simple as that. If the video helped you out, give me a like. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. See you next one.